Hey, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Hey, look at your calendar. We are officially midway, we are officially halfway through 2026. If you look back at January 1st, how many of those promises did you actually keep? If you are being honest, you have probably drifted, and the gym routine you set faded, and the career pivot got put on hold, and the routine got messy. Okay, so but here is the math. As we follows, you still have exactly 6 months. That is 180 days to completely zero at the ending of this year. We are not waiting for next January. We are not waiting for the next January. The reset happens today. Okay, the reset happens today, and here is the exact science-based protocol to reclaim your health, lock in your career focus, and completely turn the trajectory of 2026 around. Before fixing career of health, you have to find out where the leaks are. You cannot build a premium career on low energy. Okay, you cannot build a premium career on low energy. And the focus drain. Find out the focus drain. Identify what is stealing your attention. Is it bad to sleep or mindless scrolling and say goodbye to ambitious, busyness or this like that? And the gut brain connection, find out this. Because it's very important because all they are interlinked. Introduce the biology of focus and explain how mid-afternoon slumps are not a lack of discipline, and they are often a biological response to poor nutrition and systematic spikes in blood sugar. Okay, and fixing the physical body to fuel professional execution, nutrients dense foundation. We talk about the nutrients dense foundation because it's the basic, it's the root. Focus on introducing whole bioavailable foods that support gut health, eliminate brain fog, and sustain energy for deep work. You are feel active the whole day. Then set a simple baseline for the next 6 months. We are not doing extreme diets. We are doing 3 liters of water daily and high protein breakfast to stabilize dopamine and 7 hours of sleep. Because turning the physical energy into a professional traction, how to isolate just one single block of uninterrupted time every single day, dedicated entirely to upskilling, building a business plan or high value projects. So create an environment, okay? Clean your workplace, a cluttered desk, create a cognitive load. Show your minimalistic desk setup, and 6 months from now, December 31st is going to arrive, and you can either look back and realize you let the entire year slip through your fingers, or you can look at a completely transformed life, career, and physical health. Okay, so the protocol starts tomorrow morning. No, the protocol starts right now. So drop a comment below with the one major goal you are committing to pursuing over the next 180 days. Let's build accountability right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye.